para na rin siyang nanay sa akin. Papasalamat ako sa kanyang pag-aalala. Surprise!
Thank you for your commitment, loyalty, and love. We love you, Jojo.
Para sa mga taga-Pag-asa, maraming salamat sa walang pag-iimbot na serbisyo. Keep us safe and happy.
Ang inyong bagong kahalili na handang magbigay ng serbisyo publiko para sa pamilyang Pilipino. Makinig at makibahagi na para sa isang makabuluhang talakayan ngayong araw ng linggo sa Kapamilya Connect. Connect ka dyan!
Magandang hapon, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Nako, ilang tulog na lang po. Pasko na. At syempre, kahit ilang araw pa ang Pasko, miss tulang Pasko na dito sa DZMM. Dahil meron tayong Santa Claus. Oh, di ba? Mamaya papakilala natin ang ating espesyal na panauhin. Pero bago natin po ipakilala, syempre babati muna ako. Ang inyo pong Mami Jing Castaneda, inyo pong kasama sa buhay, sa usaping pampamilya, usaping pang-edukasyon o usaping pangkalusugan. Pero, hindi po ako nag-iisa ngayon dahil actually dalawa yung Santa Claus natin. Isang babae at isang lalaki. Ipapakilala ko muna yung babae kasi namigay na siya ng regalo kanina. Ito po ang ating balikbayan. Ang balikbayan ng bayan, siya po ay walang iba kung hindi ang ating Tita Susan Afan. Hi, Tita Susan!
Hello, Jing!
Welcome back, Tita!
Maraming salamat and good afternoon po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, ako, Tita Susan, ha? Kumusta yung mga kamag-anak, kaanak at kapamilya po natin sa USA?
Nako, napakadami kong kwento, Jing. Baka kulang ang ating 1 hour today. Plus, ang ganda-ganda pa ng ating lineup today.
Correct.
So, medyo exciting.
At mamaya ho, papakita natin, may report din si Tita Susan. Kita nyo naman, ha? Kakarating lang, may report agad. Nung nakaraang linggo, Tita Susan, inere na natin yun, no? So, ngayon may part 2. So, now you've met our female Santa Claus. Ayan. Ang susunod po nating papakilala ay ang ating male Santa Claus. Hindi ho regalo ang kanyang ipamamahagi, kung hindi kiss. Oh, syempre, pag kiss lang, sobrang tontuwa na po kami dito. Pati mga lalaki nakapila. Excited. Wala pong iba kung hindi ang ating Santa Claus for today. Syempre po, si Papa P, Papa Piolo Pascual. Hi, Papa P.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. O, inunahan pa po niya si Papa Francesco, si Pope Francis. Inunahan niya. Nandito na si Papa P. O, so kung may mga tanong po kayo, i-text nyo na po sa amin, DZMM Space React, ang inyong mensahe, pangalan at lugar, ipadala po sa 2366. Pwede rin po kayo mag-tweet at Jing Castaneda, yung aking Twitter account, o kaya sa Facebook page ng Kapamilya Connect Official. Ayan, ipadala nyo na po para ho, alam nyo na, minsan lang natin masosolo. Si Papa P, di ba? Kaya samantalahin na po natin. Siyempre, hindi muna namin siya bibigay sa inyo, di ba Tita Susan? Pero exciting. mamaya ulit ha, sa pagbabalik natin. Pero pasalamatan po natin ang Sante Barley, Tita Susan. Kasi sila ang nagdala sa atin dito kay Papa P.
Yes, exactly. So maraming salamat, Sante Barley, sa inyong support sa ALCFI, ang ABS-CBN Lingkod Kapamilya Foundation. Ang dami-dami nating papasalamatan today, pero sila talaga ang focus natin for this afternoon.
Correct. At hindi lang po, syempre kung may mga tanong kayong pang showbiz, ayan, babasahin pa rin natin. Pero, Tita Susan, ang maganda ring malaman, syempre kung ano ang tip, di ba, ni Papa P, bakit siya laging young and fresh looking. Kahit na lagi siyang puyat, di ba, sa mga taping. Ano kayang sikreto, no, Tita Susan? So, mamaya alamin po natin. At syempre, Tita Susan, alam naman natin pong lahat, na si Papa P ay meron pong anak na lalaki, no? So, nakasing gwapo niya. Ano, Tita Susan? Sayang, di ko kaedad yung kanyang anak na lalaki. Anyway, yung anak kong babae na lang. Hindi, lang. So, Tita Susan, hindi tayong tips, no? Hirap maging single parent, no?
Yes. Actually, meron kaming sinishare ni Papa P kasi ako din, ako naman, I have 2 kids, pero sila ang nasa Amerika. So ako ang nandito sa Pilipinas, baliktad. So, alam mo, merong mga long distance tips na pwede tayong i-share dahil alam naman natin na maraming nakikinig sa atin ng mga parents na nangungulila dahil ang kanilang mga anak ay either nandito sa Pilipinas o nasa abroad.
Oo nga ho. So yan ang alamin po natin mamaya. Alam nyo naman, mahirap po maging magulang, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay malayo sa iyong anak o nag-iisa,
Lalo na ngayong Pasko, dahil syempre malungkot ka pag hindi mo kasama ang iyong pamilya.
Kung may tanong ho din kayo para kay Inigo, ayan, ipadala nyo rin. Naku, curious ako, Tita Susan, bantay sarado kaya si Inigo pag nasa Pilipinas? Bawal ba mag-girlfriend? Bawal ba manligaw? Ano bang rules ng isang Piolo Pascual? Ayan, pagdating sa pagiging ama. O, ayan ho sa pagbabalik ho natin, syempre ho, yan po, ilang minuto lang, magbe-break muna po tayo at ihanda nyo na po ang inyong mga tanong. Okay, pinapa-announce lamang po, sige, ito munang World Bazaar Festival 2014 ng World Bex International Services. Naku, huling araw na po ng bazaar ngayon. So, humabol po kayo hanggang 12 midnight. Pwede po kayong pumunta sa World Trade Center. Ayan, marami po kayong mabibili doon. Ito po ay para pa rin sa ABS-CBN Lingkod Kapamilya Foundation. Di ba, Tita Susan, no? They've been supporting us for so many years.
Yes.
10 years na ba?
Hindi, actually 8 years na tayo sinusuportahan ng World Bex.
Ayan, so marami pong salamat sa inyong mga donasyon. Okay, so sa pagbabalik po, ayan, ang inyong mga tanong. In the meantime, pagbibigyan ho namin si Papa P. Kanina pa niya gustong mag-kiss sa amin. Sige na, pagbigyan na natin. Ayan, so inggitin namin kayo. So sa pagbabalik po na Kapamilya Connect, connect ka dyan.
Premium Ham 101. Not all hams are created equal. Some are just assembled from different cuts of pork. Premium hams are made from the whole hind leg, the best cut for hams. Choose Holiday, the premium cut ham. It's also great as corporate gifts.
General Wilson Chua, ang boss ni Benji na magbibigay saya.
Update sa kaso at saka terorista.
Sila ginagalit, mainit ang ulo. Can you please be careful with me?
Sa funniest family movie ng taon.
Huwag mo siyang pagsalitaan ng ganyan. Anak ko yan.
Hindi mo lang siya anak. Anak ko rin siya! That was never your wife. I'm just your wife.
Sharon,
The Amazing Private Benjamin. Boom!
Paner!
Christmas Day 2014.
Si Pope Francis po, siya po yung mabait na prop. Hindi po siya nag-discriminate lang. Kahit ano pong religion mo, okay po sa akin. Matulungan niya po sana yung gaya kong mga estudyante sa aming pag-aaral. Ma-bless niya po.
Pasasalamatan ko ay si Cathy Cardos, isang kaopisina ko dito sa Jesuit Communications. Marami naman mga masipag na tao, no? Pero nung nalaman ko na si Cathy pala may may butas sa puso, talagang buhos na buhos pa rin sa trabaho na.
Hardworking si Father Nono. So, dapat since he's hardworking, yung empleyado niya rin, dapat hardworking niya.
Cathy, ikaw ang aking pasasalamatan. Nais kitang pasalamatan sa iyong katapatan sa ating gawain. Lagi kang nakangiti kahit napapagod. Laging nagbibigay kahit napapagano. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Dapat laging healthy para tayo ay laging happy. Kalusugan Connect! Connect na!
Nagbabalik po ang Kapamilya Connect. Connect ka dyan. Jing Castañeda pa rin po. At syempre po si Tita Susan. Kasama po namin si Papa Piolo Pascual. At Tita Susan, kanina off the air, tinatanong ko ilang taon na nga ba? Si Papa P, si Papa Piolo.
I'm turning 38 in a couple of days.
Pero ba't mukha kang batang-bata?
Tulog. It really helps a lot to sleep and you take the right vitamins, and I guess your outlook in life also help a lot, you know.
Bakit? Anong epekto ng outlook in life?
You feel light, di ba? Pag may problema ka, pag kinakarry mo yan, it shows in your aura, it shows in your skin, your attitude. Like if you're always positive, keeps you young. I guess, yeah. And of course, you have to supplement it with the right vitamins, especially nowadays. I remember growing up, okay ka na sa isang vitamins, di ba? But nowadays,
yes.
because of all the pollutants, and the free radicals, importante talaga na we take good care of our system, immune system, and our lifestyle.
Okay.
So, it's hard to, I don't do hard sell. I don't do hard sell of my endorsements of the products I endorse. But I guess when you endorse something, when you do something, you want to be able to say something about it and believe in the product.
Yes.
So as much as people would think it's hard sell, I believe in it. So walang problema sa akin to freely talk about it. And I guess one of the reasons why I'm here is because of that. I was asked to, of course, guest on the show.
Yes.
And it's a privilege. It's my first time here, but also talk about my lifestyle.
Yes.
And how Sante Barley, is helping me achieve a better, I guess, lifestyle. You have to be able to support your lifestyle with the right supplements. So with Sante Barley kasi, because of my active lifestyle, ang daling magkasakit, ang daling magkaroon, ang daling mahawaan. So it's important na meron tayong protection.
Okay.
So what I like about Sante Barley is that it's high in fiber. Fiber kills the toxins. Kailangan natin ng antioxidants sa katawan natin because of all the free radicals, hanging around and mga pollutants. So with this, mas nakik-cleanse niya, na-detoxify niya yung system mo. So, nare-replenish din niya lahat ng kailangan sa katawan mo. And, it has one of the most high antioxidants in it. And it's natural. It's organic.
Yun yung tatanong ko sa iyo, Papa Piolo, no? Sanay ka bang uminom ng mga ganyang mga
Yes.
supplements?
Because since I lead an active lifestyle, it's important na you supplement it with, not naman the things that would kill your liver, but those that can actually help your immune system. So for me, I take different vitamins, and one vitamin, of course, I swear by is Sante Barley because it really helps. It's grass, so it has barley grass. It's grown in New Zealand, diba? And it's very expensive there. So we have the privilege of having it here, and it's organic, it's all natural. So
Okay, ito si Reyna, nag-tweet na, "Hi po, ano po bang sikreto ni Papa P?" Ayan, ito nga yung tinanong namin, Reyna. At pwede po ba magtagalog si Papa P? Ayan, Papa
Tagalog
P.
na lang.
Yung Papa P o Papa Piolo, yung kanina binabanggit mo, no, na syempre yung lifestyle nyo, very stressful. Ano yung, kasi Tita Susan, di ba, minsan, pag puyat ka, alam mo na eh. Pag sunod-sunod yung puyat, alam mo na, babagsak resistensya mo. O kaya yung iba naman, pag may sore throat ka na, ayan na, alam mo na yung kasunod. Ikaw may ganun ka ba? And then, ano yung ginagawa mo para maagapan?
Well, the thing is, my business is yung sarili ko. I have my own product. So, importante na pangalagaan ko yung pangangatawan ko, yung itsura ko. So, when that happens, I make sure na nagpapahinga ako or in between mga eksena sa taping, natutulog ako. And I try as much as possible gusto ko na, kasi yung sa mga pag pinupuntahan mo, marami mga naninigarilyo, di ba? So easy to attract na yung mga sakit. So as much as possible talaga. Umiiwas ka sa ganun and not staying up late, you know? And yeah.
Pero medyo mahirap yan sa iyong business, di ba?
Opo, mahirap talaga siya kaya you have to, I guess, more importantly, kailangan mo mahalin yung sarili mo. And you know, kasi parang ako, I don't get sick as much anymore because I'm aware of what I have to eat, what I have to take, and what I have to avoid.
About how many hours of sleep do you get a day? And syempre, I'm sure maraming
6 hours po. 6 hours, hindi na ako moody nun. Joke lang.
So, sumusungit ka pag ikaw ay kulang sa tulog o kulang sa pagkain?
Naturally, I guess every one of us, di ba, we have moods, di ba? So, I just keep quiet. I try to reserve my energy pag walang ginagawa. And sleep. I sleep a lot. I drink a lot of water and tulog. Yeah.
O ito, may nag-tweet ulit, Tita Susan. Nagpa-fun run ka daw. So, ano daw tips mo sa mga sumasama sa fun run?
Definitely mag-stretch before mag-run. And don't exert or don't you can push yourself. Di ba? But you have to know your limitations also. You know, makamamaya, ma-injure ka and punta ka sideline, sayang. So, you only do what you can do. I mean, like for me, I started running. I've been a runner ever since I was a kid. I just started racing.
So even in UST?
Yeah.
Before? Okay.
So it's good for your heart, diba? But you have to have enough sleep before you train, and you make sure na yun nga, bukod sa naka-stretch ka, alam mo yung capacity mo, hindi mo ipupush yung sarili mo na makamamaya ma-injure ka or like it's hard nowadays, especially maraming pollution sa kalye pag tumatakbo ka or nagbabike.
Yun nga sana
ang hirap.
Itatanong ko, saan ka tumatakbo? Because
Kahit
here
saan po.
in Metro Manila,
I ride on EDSA. I don't necessarily ride on EDSA, it's bawal, bike, pero I cross the flyover from Makati to Fort. I run in UP, I train in Clark, kung saan pwede, minsan sa taping. I bring my own stuff. Kasi para pag everyday yung taping ko, I bring my own equipment, my dumbbells, my mat.
Wow.
So in between takes?
I train every day. I try to train every day. I don't lift heavy. I just really do maybe 30 to 45 in a day. Just to keep fit. Yeah.
Well, you know what, Mami Jing, talagang ginawa na niya kasing lifestyle.
Opo. Yun ang importante.
Yun eh.
Yeah.
Kasi for example, may mga, yung pag minsan iniisip ko, kailan ba ako, when am I going to have time to exercise? When am I going to, start eating healthy? Yung bang iniisip ko, sige, padadaanin ko muna ang Pasko, kakainin ko muna lahat ito. Pagkatapos yan, January, uumpisahan ko na naman. Pero, naku, I've been saying this for so many years now, walang nangyayari. So I think it's really about, when I think of his busy schedule, ang schedule niya is nothing mine is nothing compared to yours, and yet he takes time to do it. So it just shows his yung talagang pinaprioritize niya yung kanyang healthy lifestyle.
Opo.
Commitment, ano?
Oo.
Thank you po.
O ito, may mga nagtatanong din, paano mo raw nasa-schedule yung iyong mga fun run?
Well, good thing I have Star Magic. They give me my schedule 3 or 4 months in advance. So they give me time to train. Like whenever I do Ironman, I have a couple of days off before the race. And yeah, even sa taping, I bring my gear. So my bike trainer, kasi stationary naman yun. So even at taping, I train.
Okay, may special diet ka ba, Papa Piolo?
I love to eat.
Anything and everything?
Yeah.
As in? May makanin ka ba?
Everything. I
Carbo?
love. Lately, I've been eating bagnet almost every day.
Wow, napaka-healthy nun.
Okay. hindi, pero di ba pagka runner rin naman, you have to have carbs.
That's why it's good to eat when you run. Because you have something to burn at the same time. Balance, di ba? It's not as if nag-run ka tapos you don't eat. So I eat better because I know I'm able to burn it or I'm able to train. So I enjoy eating.
Okay. So hindi ka nagka-cut down sa kanin or
I
sa
only
taba?
cut down when I'm not able to train. Kumbaga, pag hindi ako naka-train, siguro konting kain lang and then keep up ulit the next day. But for me, reward yun eh.
Sa ating lahat.
Right? So I really enjoy eating.
O how many hours a day ka raw nagtitrain? Or siguro a
Less than
week?
an hour.
Less than an hour?
Yeah, 30 to 45. I never lift heavy. It's just really basic, dumbbells and kettlebell or an ab roller.
Running?
Yes.
Nakakatakbo ka ba?
No, I don't get to run pag may trabaho. Bike trainer lang.
Okay. How the rest of the week, at least may once a week ka bang tumatakbo na, talagang sa oval?
Yes. If and when I get the chance, even at taping, I run just to make sure na, I don't feel sluggish. So it's in my head. I have to do something.
Talagang part of his life na talaga.
Yeah.
Oo nga. Kailan nagsimula yan, Papa Piolo? Yung
I guess,
nating lifestyle.
hindi naman po ako vain, pero I just love being able to do a lot of things, being agile, and at the same time knowing na pwede mo pa i-push yung sarili mo. I want to enjoy life. I want to be able to train, hike, do many things. But if you're not active, if you're not mobile, hindi mo magagawa yun. So ever since I was a teenager, mahilig talaga ako. Mahilig ako lumabas. I'm very outdoorsy and,
Okay.
very active.
Anong personal testimony mo bilang user ng Sante Barley?
Ang cliche na sabihin mong lumakas ka kasi parang whatever you take, hindi mo naman nararamdaman But I definitely don't get sick and I'm always out, So with that, hindi nakaka-addict pa nga siya minsan kasi you don't OD on barley, you don't OD on grass. So nakakatawa siya. I take it, my whole family takes it, the whole set takes it. I even ordered from them when I was doing Hawak Kamay. All of them would ask me after, maubos yung boxes nila. That's why I bought for everyone. Even sila nagsasabi na pag uminom silang barley, miski kulang sa tulog, mas may okay siya. Kasi nga, napoprotektahan yung immune system mo. So, it really helps.
Di ba may... Go ahead, Tita.
Now, are these all pills? I mean, is it juicing also? Because I don't know anything. We know when I...
It's
when
it's in capsule form po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's grown in New Zealand and then it's sent here.
I see. Pero kasi pagka sinabi mong damo, ano ba naman ang lasa niyan? Yung mga cows lang ang
This
kumakain.
is better than wheatgrass. This is better than
okay.
wheatgrass. It's also same pero it has higher fiber content.
Anong
Barley.
tips mo para maging fit at healthy? Lalo na ngayon, syempre Pasko, di ba? Maya't maya kumakain. Hindi naman kasi lahat tulad mo na matapos kumain ng marami, nakakapag-exercise, di ba? Yung iba, kain lang ng kain, tapos tulog.
Balance.
Tita.
Balance. Yeah.
Balanced lifestyle. I guess that's all that matters, and loving yourself, by eating the right food, taking the right supplements, and thinking right, being positive.
Okay. O Tita, sa pagbabalik natin marami pa pong tanong. Ayan, ipadala niyo po sa amin mga text at mga tweets para po kay Papa P, Papa Piolo Pascual. At sa pagbabalik po natin, pati yung kanyang pagiging ama, di ba? Atin na ring pag-uusapan. Sa pagbabalik po yan, ang Kapamilya Connect, connect ka dyan.
Premium Ham 101. Not all hams are created equal. Some are just assembled from different cuts of pork. Premium hams are made from the whole hind leg, the best cut for hams. Choose Holiday, the premium cut ham. It's also great as corporate gifts.
Masagana ang Pasko Wais Tips. Ang Wais Checklist, iwasan mamili pag Biyernes, Sabado at Linggo. Pinakamabuti kung mamimili tuwing Lunes o Martes dahil bago ang stock ng mga paninda at mas marami ang mapagpipilian. Tignan ang mga bazaar o tiyangge na malapit sa inyong lugar dahil maaaring mas sulit mamili dito. I-check ang mga outlet o warehouse off-season sale dahil kadalasan ay mula 50% hanggang 70% ang discount nito. Siguruhin na walang sira ang produktong nais bilhin. I-check ang expiry date ng mga pagkain na pangregalo. Maligayang Pasko, kapamilya!
Kapamilya, ibahagi ang inyong mensahe at panalangin para sa pagbisita ni Pope Francis sa bansa gamit ang #Popetism. Kapit kamay tayo sa paghahanda sa pagbisita ng Santo Papa. Mula sa tamang eksperto, i-connect na!
Nagbabalik po ang Kapamilya Connect, connect ka dyan. Siyempre po, kasama pa rin po natin si Tita Susan at walang iba kung hindi si Papa Piolo Pascual. At siyempre po, habang nagko-commercial break, namigay na ho ng kaunting halik. Ayan, si Papa Piolo. At kaunting pictures. Naku, alam nyo naman, Tita Susan, pag si Papa Piolo, picture lang, happy na tayo.
Oo,
No?
maraming happy.
Parang nanalo na tayo sa loto. No? At sa raffle ng ABS-CBN.
Talaga.
Ayan. So, yung mga tanong po ninyo, ayan, nagpapasuka na. Ayan, alamin po natin. Yung, Tita Susan, si Papa Piolo, I think mga 4 years ago, tama ba, Papa Piolo? Nung nagsimulang lumabas ang balita na may anak ka.
Hindi,
No?
matagal na
Mga
po.
5 years. Or, so ever since, it's an open secret sa showbiz.
It came out at the time that I was still paired up with Julian. We had a
Ay,
soap
matagal na
opera
yun.
before,
Oo.
and yeah, it was in the thick of that. I had to come out with it because he's my son, you know. Buhay yun eh. Yeah.
And, pero ngayon lang ba siya, parang may
Ngayon lang
showbiz
siya
career na
nag-showbiz.
kasi siya dito,
Ayoko
no?
po sana talaga, pero mahilig yung bata. So,
Bakit ayaw mo?
because my priority is school, you know. Pag-artista mo, walang laman yung utak, mahirap na, baka hindi makasagot. So sabi ko sa kanya, ang pag-aartista, madaling pasukin kasi nandyan naman ako, and there are a lot of offers. But the thing is, sabi ko, kung di ka magtatapos ng pag-aaral, sayang, wala kang fallback.
Bilang taon na ba siya? 16?
He's 17, he's in 3rd year high school,
Okay.
then 1 year pa. So sabi ko sana, tapusin lang high school. But I knew na nung napatikim namin ng trabaho, I knew na didire-diretsuhin niya na. So,
Pero alam mo, Mami Jing, maganda yung sinasabi ni Piolo kasi marami sa ating mga kabataan ngayon na gustong maging artista. Many of them, are already thinking, baka naman, pagka nanonood ka ng TV, like you are able to see, ang daming bata and happy parati sila and they're making good money na baka ayaw na nilang mag-college o mag-vocation. Na parang this is a good time for you, na baka gusto mong bigyan ng payo ang ibang mga bata natin na parang age ni Inigo.
I guess, in any case, we can always reach for our dreams, but it's important for us to know also kung ano talaga yung para sa atin. Kahit gusto mong mag-artista, if it's not for you, why would you do it? So I guess at 17 or before, those years, mga decision making yan, di ba? High school, bago mag-college, know already what you want, what your desires are. But for me, importante talaga na pahalagahan natin yung pag-aaral natin. We may not appreciate it when we're in school, pero now, looking back, mas naisip ko na buti na lang nag-aaral pala ako kasi at least alam ko na may magagamit ko. Yung mga bata kasi hindi pa sinasabi nila, hindi, pag may pera na ako, I don't need that. But you'll bring it with you until you're old, kahit anong business na pasukin mo. So for me, sana i-prioritize muna nila yung pag-aaral kasi napakadali naman magtrabaho. Pero mas makakuha ka ng magandang trabaho kung may natapos ka at may alam ka.
So, UST ka, no, Papa Piolo? Anong course mo?
AB General. I wasn't able to major because nagpunta naman ako ng States.
Okay. Ano yung palagay mong, kasi sabi mo kanina, ayaw mo sanang pag-artista yung si Inigo. Bakit ba siya nagpuntang Pilipinas in the first place?
Inofera kami ng Sun Life to endorse sa father and son. And parang for me, it's a good opportunity because I also believe in the product. So, sabi ko yung pag-iipon ko sa kanya ng ilang taon para sa high school tuition niya, binayaran naman ng Sun Life. So, practical na lang, di ba? Pag-endorse na rin natin, sayang naman, di ba? Yun nga lang, my worry talaga is for him to, be bitten by the bug, which obviously happened. So now, nakukurta yung utak niya because all I do is, give him advice, tell him this and that, just to make sure na alam niya yung ginagawa niya, or at least nasasabihan ko siya. I don't wanna spoon feed him naman, but I want him to learn and not commit the same mistakes that I have committed in the past. And at the same time, I always tell him that, I want him to become the better version of me, because whatever I wasn't able to do, alam ko mas magagawa niya, mas mabibigyan ng justice, kumbaga.
Tulad ng?
Dancing, singing, acting-wise, sabi ko, just do acting workshops, just do everything you can. Sabi ko, mag-aral ka, huwag mo lang kakalimutan, tapusin yung pag-aaral mo. That's the compromise that we have. He's here for a couple of months, but sabi ko, kailangan niya mag-graduate sa regular school.
Okay, so anong deal nyo?
He'll do 4th year regular school. He's doing online now first time, Pero fourth year, sabi ko, ibigay mo, you don't owe it to us, you owe it to yourself.
Correct.
Nag-aaral ka, karapatan mo na mag-marcha rin. Kaysa namang na ibigay lang sa diploma mo through computer.
So, babalik siyang Amerika?
He's going to the States after 1 year, after third year. Siguro one sem lang because he's being teamed up with Julia Barreto naman.
Nako.
So, yun, he worries about that. When he leaves us, sabi ko, no ka ba naman? You know, showbiz will always have a place for you. You know, we'll reserve a spot for you. And now that he's, you know, been given a lot of breaks, I just always advise him to not forget his values.
Yan.
You know.
Ano yung tingin mong values ng kabataan na medyo kailangan nating mga magulang na kulitin? Dahil ito yung madalas nilang nakakalimutan.
Respeto.
Respeto.
Opo. Respeto and trust.
Bakit?
Because kung wala kang tiwala, hindi ka mag-open up. You don't open up to your parents if you don't trust your parents. So it's important na may mutual trust. You know, that you don't nag your kids or you don't power trip.
Yeah.
You know, you want to treat them as friends, but you also draw the line. You know when and where to draw the line. But it's important to have his trust also para makapag-open up siya sa'yo. And respect. I'm very big on respect because it will show how he'll be when he becomes a father himself. You know, how he'll take care of his kids.
No, and I think tayong mga magulang, as we all know, trust is something that's earned.
Yes.
It's not something na dinedemand mo. Na, oy, kailangan respetuhin mo ko.
Opo.
Depende rin
That's
sa
why it's mutual, di ba?
Exactly. Kailangan din tayo mag-lead by example. Kung
Opo.
sasabihin mo sa mga anak mo, oy, kayo, lead a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Huwag kayong maninigarilyo o huwag kayong iinom. Tapos ikaw naman ang unang-unang gumagawa nun. Ano naman ang respeto?
Exactly.
No?
If I may share, I was on vacation for a week. Last week we were na Palawan, just the two of us, and you know, I felt that it was every father's dream to be able to train and keep up with your kid. Now we were doing the trail hike, 10-minute uphill
Kaya mo
hike.
makipagsabayan.
He was keeping up with me.
Wow.
When we were going
Oo.
up, and then I realized, sabi ko, in a couple of years time, ako na yung mahihirapan mag-keep up sa kanya.
Oo.
And then coming down from the trail, I realized, sabi ko, ito yung gusto ng bawat magulang, no? Na paglaki ng mga bata, they're able to do the same things together. So sabi ko sa kanya, it's a dream come true for me. I'm able to train with you. In a few years time, ako na yung magki-keep up sa'yo. But now, I'm enjoying this because, you know, at 17, I was 37, na-enjoy ko yung pareho kami na energy level, pero kami na stamina, and siya pa yung nagki-keep up sa akin. You know?
Ba, sosyal Tita Susan, siya, 17-year-old, nagki-keep up sa kanyang 38-year-old dad.
Yan naman ang aking dreams. Nagawa ko rin yan sa aking mga... Kasi ang daughter ko rin is she's a marathon runner, no?
Wow.
She has done Ironman. And I had never done it. I've never done it. Yan ang aking wish. So I'll just live vicariously through you.
O yan, ito may mga nagtitweet. Paano ka raw galing kay Bernie Camacho? Paano mo raw napanatili yung iyong relationship kahit na nasa Amerika?
Communication, open line.
Are you close to each other?
Really close. We're like brothers. And you know, tinuturing ko siyang parang kaibigan. But of course, pag may mali, that's, you know, where you put him in his place. But open line lang. You know, whatever it is, he makes kwento, I make kwento, on the